How to fix DoorDash payment error. In order for you to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to try doing is move into the application DoorDash. Wait for a while for it to load. Once you are in this homepage, enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and then log into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your specific account, the next thing you want to do is move into the settings. Inside settings, you should see the option of payment method. Click on it and then move into it. You will be able to see the payment method that you have entered. You have to check whether you have entered all of the detailed information correctly or not. Sometimes the credentials might be mistaken and you might be facing this error. Simply check whether it's correct or not. Even if the informations are correct and you're still having the issue, then what else you can do is try changing the payment method, or try removing the payment method that you have entered and then re-enter it. Well, it should fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.